Hi everyone! Today, we're unboxing the Dahua WizSense AI NVR4104HS-P-AI/ANZ, a popular choice in Australia. If you're looking for a simple, stable, plug-and-play NVR installation, this is one of the easiest to use. Alright, let's open the box. Inside the accessories pack, you'll find the installation guide, the power adapter and the power cable. Dahua also includes a short Ethernet cable for connecting the recorder. For storage, you get your SATA power and data cables, ready for installing a hard drive. And here is the standard USB mouse, which you'll use during the setup process. Now, the main unit. Look at the back. You'll see the 4 PoE ports, which make camera installation incredibly simple. One cable gives power and video, no external power supply needed. You also have HDMI and VGA outputs. This NVR fully supports 4K AI cameras, making it suitable for both home and business AI security upgrades. For genuine Dahua NVRS and CCTV cameras in Australia, visit S-Market, your trusted Australian CCTV supplier with authentic products, a 3-year warranty and expert local support. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.